Just want to make a quick video showing the Dell Latitude 7450 terrible design with the front clip. It's a brand new laptop. I just tried to install the SSD, and on the first attempt of closing the case, this clip is broken. Basically, brand new laptop. The front will never come back together like it was new. All they had to do was put a screw in the middle of the front of the computer, but they didn't. They decided to put one on the edge and use these cheap little clips along the front. So if you just slightly damage one of them, you will never have a nice little laptop again. Also, they decided to go with only the mini size of one of these SSDs. So if you got one of those Candy Bar M2 NVMe SSDs, it will not support or not be supported in this computer. Just FYI. I know a Lenovo computer did this a couple of years back, and tons of people had the same issue. Really poor design choice. I'd probably avoid this model, especially if you ever have to disassemble it for any reason. The way this clip is designed and the way it clips back in, I'd say you get a good 50% chance of damaging this clip when popping it back in. So yeah, just FYI.